Kidney disease, treatment and remedies. Kidney disease, also known as nephropathy or renal disease, is a wide-ranging term for a variety of diseases that can affect the health of kidney. The most common among these are kidney stones, but top among the diseases that can lead to kidney failure and fatality is chronic kidney disease. Kidney disease can be acute or chronic. Chronic kidney disease or chronic renal disease means that the kidney are no longer able to filter the blood. CKD means also result in many other complications like issue with blood pressure, the production of red blood cells, and bone health. Number 1 is water. Perhaps the simplest way of solving kidney issue is to simplify food with body with water. This will stimulate urination, which is the body's primary way of releasing liquid as well as toxins. And drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water every day, you can flush your system, which helps reduce the number of toxins that are accumulating in your body, and therefore clarifying the need of dialysis and showing the progression of kidney disease. Number 2 is dandelion. Dandelion is a good source of vitamin A and has been used in traditional medical systems to cure various health ailments, including kidney disease. Research suggests that it has diuretic properties and may help in treating kidney disease. Number 3 is parsley juice. Parsley is a perfect kidney cleanser and it is used for the home treatment of kidney disease around the world. Parsley is a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin B, and vitamin C, as well as potassium, copper. Chop up the parsley leaves and boil them in a pot of water. You can then drink this water when it is cool. It can improve the general health and toxicity level with your kidney, whether it is a preventive measure or a treatment to slow the progression of disease once it begins. Parsley is also a diuretic substance which helps to flush out the toxins. Number 4, cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is recommended to treat all sorts of kidney diseases as probably the most widely known and utilized form of home remedy, since cranberry juice is widely available and delicious to drink as well. The organic compounds found in the cranberries are very effective for reducing the severity of infections in the kidney. Drink 2 to 3 glasses of cranberry juice during period of inflammation or irritation in the kidney. Number 5 is aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is used in so many different health treatments for various conditions, so it comes as no surprise that it will be able to beneficial for treating kidney infections. The healing and antioxidant properties make aloe vera a powerful tool in battle against the kidney disease.